Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are at Ferris BBQ here in Presqu'île in Maine. We're hungry for some BBQ, so let's go check it out. Let's go. Oh, welcome. It smells delicious outside, that's all I can tell you. Place, look at this. Small old town vibes. Very nice. Let's just check out the menu here. So this is where they're located. If anyone's interested in coming by, here in Presqu'île or Presqu'île, if you want to call it in English. So they have a lot of stuff on their menus. It'd be hard to pick. Oh, mac and cheese bowl. I know someone who's gonna like that. 99 acres. Feeds 3 to 6 people. Well, I'll have to take a look at that. And what else over here? Handheld. Nice and quiet in here. It smells delicious, clean. I think that is the end of. No, we got more. Sunday brunch. Is today Sunday? It is Sunday. Oh, mimosas. Yum, 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 yum. All right, we gotta check and see what we're eating.
Here is our food, and here are the tacos, mac and cheese and brisket, creamy, and all of the goodies on this plate. Ribs, brisket, fries, cornbread. Let's try it out.
This mac and cheese, supposedly made in house, is calling my name. So look at this brisket. Oh my god. I'm gonna take this piece of that. And first, I want to taste this. So they're corkscrew noodles. Let's see. She just gave me the cheesy. Nice taste. I'm not gonna eat the boys. Brisket. Very good. Cheesy. Pasta's not cooked too hard. So it's not cooked too soft. It's just cooked perfectly. So let's check. First thing we're gonna try are these dirty fries.
Are they dirty?
We'll see. Fresh fries with a bit of seasoning on it. These look really good.
Oh, brisket beans, man.
That's full of taste. Delicious. Cornbread? That's a dense, like a piece of cake. Very nice taste. Let's check the brisket. I asked them to chop it. I'm going to try it alone first without any sauce, just to see how it tastes. Get a good look at it. Okay. It's juicy, but a little on the dry side. Does that make sense?
Yep.
It's going to be much better with the sauce. And as you see, they have Ferris
Maple barbecue.
bourbon and the regular barbecue.
The original.
I will be using it on that. But the important thing is the ribs.
See the ribs. Oh, they seem tender. There you go.
There you go. It's not nice. Look at this fish. You can take a listen there. Okay, here we go. That's a nice rub on it. Juicy. Meat is good. Very good.
So that's a must try here. A
Definitely.
bite, not a fly.
Bite. Okay, I'm just about done eating. The beans were phenomenal. Fries with the dirty fries were amazing. A bit salty, had a nice spicy taste on them. The ribs, not a lot of meat on them, but the rub on it was really, really good. Super good.
The rub was delicious.
The brisket alone, a little dry maybe. I didn't have a lot of fat in the first few pieces I had, but the minute you put on the original Ferris barbecue, delicious.
And this is a monster. It is heavy. So it's gonna weigh down on my belly, so I'm eating it slowly but surely. So guys, like we mentioned, if you're in the area in Ferris, well in Presskill or Ferris Barbecue, come and check them out. It's worth the trip. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.